Hello everybody, hi Mooch, how are you today? I hope you're having a wonderful day or night, wherever you are in this beautiful world. Today we are going to read a story called Bear Snores On. Can I read the story? Are you happy? You smell good, you got a bath today. Yay! Alright, Bear Snores On. Written by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. All right, let's start. Ooh, that's a pretty page. The winter scene. Bear Snores On. This book was written in 2001. It's older than I thought it was. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Mooch, why are you looking at me so much? Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep, crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark." So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. That'll taste good. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." The cave is getting crowded, isn't it? And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. He must be very tired. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. What's the bear gonna do? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. He's not very happy with all the animals being there. You've sneaked into my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. So he was sad to miss all the fun. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. There's a pretty picture again. All right, what'd you think of the Snory? What'd you think of the Snory story? What did you think of the book? Did you like it? If you did like it, I have 2 other bear books. This is called Bear Feels Ill and Bear Stays Up. So maybe we will get to read these another time. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can sleep well tonight and enjoy your rest. And I hope you have a great day or night, and we will talk to you later. Mooch, say goodbye. Bye-bye.